All right, good evening, everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to optimize our blog posts on WordPress. We have noticed that a lot of persons are finding it difficult to do the right thing to do for the sake of search engine optimization, which is popularly known as the SEO. If you are watchful, you see that a lot of clients are always insisting on optimizing their posts. You go to popular micro job sites, you hear them asking for SEO writings and whatever, because they want their sites, they want their blogs to rank high on the Google SERP pages. So this evening, we'll be looking at how we're going to do that as publishers or bloggers on WordPress. So I'm going to share my screen on how to create a post on the WordPress site. First, we'll be looking at my site. I can even see. So we'll be looking at how to create the post on WordPress platform, how to optimize the post and ensure that they rank high on Google or other search engines. We're going to be looking at how to optimize them. So I'll be sharing my screen on this site so that at least we'll know what we should do. Unfortunately, I can't even see the. Maybe we'll just need to hold on a little. Let me see something again. I'm not even seeing the site. Not even seeing the. Okay. So that is the title of the post I want to create. So if you look at this now, I already have my post ready. I will just copy and paste it on the interface. Hello. Oh, okay, just a moment. So we have the post now in the WordPress platform. So you can see the publishing interface here. And then what I will do is try and add a few things to this post. First, this is not too good. So I have to just put that right. Okay. And then we'll go to where do I want to publish this post? This is how to start an affiliate market from scratch. And it is not in any of these other areas. So it is not in any of the categories, best paying affiliate blog, cryptocurrency, and whatever. So you look at, there is no affiliate listed here, but I'm publishing this post under blog post. So I just click on blog. Okay. Then the tags. Tags. What is this post all about? Creating a new post or how to start affiliate marketing. So I can just say start affiliate marketing. Start affiliate marketing. Add that. I can also affiliate. That. So if there's any other thing I want to do again, I add them here as if they are related. So after that, I now go back to my internet connection is unstable, but then we have to do as much as possible. Where do I want to put my image? So let me say here, I put my image here. So I go to add media. So from there, upload files. That takes me to my system. Select files. Select files. So when I say select files, take me to my computer where those images are. Okay, you can see that these are images from the affiliate link because that post is being done on the affiliate link site. So what is the post we are looking at? How to start affiliate marketing from scratch, isn't it? How to start affiliate marketing. So this is the image we have for it. Cool. That's the image we have for it. So on this side, you could see that there's something here, alt text. So for you to add the alt text, you do the alt equal to, then you put your quotation mark, how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. Why do we do that? We discover that ordinarily, Google or the search engine bots are unable to pick images. So you have to put a text on it to indicate what the image is all about. And for those who are visually impaired too, they are unable to read images. So that alt text will tell them what is there, what it means. So you can choose to add, to call it anything as far as you think that is the keyword that relates to the post, and you add it. Now, after adding the image, most times you discover that you add image to a post, but when you publish it on social media, the image does not really show, it's only the post. When you see the snippets or whatever, the image is missing. What you have to do is to come down to the side of this post. Now you see something like set featured image. You click it. So setting the featured image will now show you that same image you just uploaded, which is this. Click on it, and you see set feature image. So that image will appear by the side of the post, on the side of the blog. You can see it now, it's automatically showing here. So by the time you publish this post, this image will show when you want to share it. Look at how it's supposed to be on Google or whatever. You are seeing it here now, showing this. Then after that, you look at what is your keyword. Is it how to start a blog from scratch or just how to start a blog? I mean, affiliate marketing. You can just write how to start affiliate marketing. That is your keyword. If you want to make it a full one, like how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, you can still put it. It all depends on what you want to make it. So let's put from scratch to make it a complete one. Now, you come back to meta description. Meta description. Do you want to start and do you want to work as an affiliate? Here is how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. Okay. Now, if you look at it, this is still showing, this line is still showing orange. It is not yet green, so I have to still add something to it. You require about 156 or there about 156 characters, or I think. Do you want to work from home? Okay, let me put that from home. As an affiliate marketer. Now you see automatically it has turned green. So that is what is required for the SEO. Initially, it wasn't good enough. Now it has turned green. To leave it at that, as long as it makes the right, it conveys the right information to those who read and it makes meaning, you have to leave it at that point, that way. So how to start affiliate marketing from home. Now, I go back to my blog, affiliatewing.com. So I need to go look for something that is related to that post so that I can add it to that same area. Now we have been looking at 10 things you should never do as an affiliate. So I have to copy the link address. 10 things you should never do as an affiliate. So I come back to my post. Inside the middle of that post, I look for a place to put that. So I can add it to anywhere here. And I begin to say 10 things. Okay. You may also like to read 10 things you should never do as an affiliate. So if you look at that, that is the HTML, whatever language. You discover that this post now there is no space in between because I'm using the HTML publishing model. You just highlight this, sorry. Highlight this and click on the link. You can see 10 things you should never do as an affiliate is showing. So it has to use that as the anchor text to link to that post that is already posted on my site. So once this one goes in, it's part of what Google requires to optimize your site. You link to any of the relevant posts inside your site. So if I were to link to an external post, I will also do the same thing. Just get a link from our site, do the same thing, use whatever anchor text I want to use, and paste that same way I have linked it. So a few things have been done. Let's look at our SEO and see if we are getting them right. So you come down to this place where you see your SEO analysis. You try to open it. So what did we get right and what did we not get right? You look at about 11 points that are green. Your image key phrase is okay, good job. Images, good job. Key phrase in introduction, well done. The key phrase is there in the introduction of the post. Because sometimes I see we ask people to write SEO posts, they never do that. They just start writing at the end of the day, Google does not even understand what they are talking about. If you see this, the search for the term how to start affiliate marketing from scratch produces millions of results on the Google search engine. Every month, the rate at which affiliate marketing generates money is increasing rapidly. You see that keyword, how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, is there from the beginning, the first paragraph. That is what Google want to see, because that shows Google what you are talking about. Not at the end of the day, you put your keyword after third paragraph or thereabout. So you now see that they are telling us that we did well in that area by putting that keyword in the first paragraph, in the introduction. Now, when I say key phrase in SEO title, the exact match of the focus key phrase appears at the beginning of the SEO title. You see that our title is how to start an affiliate marketing from the scratch. So it is completely there in our title. Then we also look at key phrase length. Very good. It's not too long, not too short. Key phrase density. The focus key phrase was found 5 times in this post. Now let's look at this post. What is the word? The total word count is 1,121. And you have that key phrase about 5 times in the whole thing, both the body to the concluding part. Then we also look at key phrase in meta description. You saw how I tactically brought in the key phrase into the meta description. This is supposed to be the meta description here. Do you want to work from home as an affiliate marketer? Sorry. Here is how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. So that conveys the right information. So you automatically have, here is, but this is what we're actually looking for, how to start affiliate marketing from scratch. That keyword is embedded in the meta description. And that is why the SEO analytics is saying that it was a good job. It was highlighted green. Are we following? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm following.
All right, no problem. All right, the next thing is the previously used key phrase. Oh, our time is almost there, almost gone. Previously used key phrase, you have not used this key phrase before. Very good. Then key phrase in slug, more than half of your key phrase appears in your slug. Okay. Text length, the text contains 1,138. Good job. So after we have done all that, we have put those things in our this thing. You now see that the SEO is looking green. And if you look at this place, you can see that it's also green because everything has virtually been done almost okay. The few things that is not there is the add bound link, which I was talking about, is not there. The key phrase was not used in the subheadings. So if you have some SEO writings, you must try as much as possible to always put your key phrase also at least in one subheading. Then the SEO title. The SEO title is wider than the viewable limit. Okay, just those few things. Those 3 things were not what we did do well, but we have 12 that were okay. So automatically, it shows us that the thing is okay. Now you can see that your tags is different from your keyword. Where's that key phrase? Okay, your focus key phrase. Some people start adding their tags here. No, what you are looking at as your keyword is what should be here, while the tag should be by the side. But if you look at this, there's something here, content layout, I think it's on this blog. Okay, I don't think it's highlighted. Okay, this one, pay with a like. So I don't need to enable it because I don't need it to be there. This is supposed to make this post to just published and only half will be showing. Then later, when you like it, before you can read the remaining part, so I disable that. So everything is done. So the next thing is for you to click on publish post. But if you want to keep this post for some days, you just come here, you click publish immediately, you click it, you can change the date where you want it to be published and the time before you click on your publish. That is what you should do. Okay, if you want to save this as a draft to come and work on it later, you can also do that, whatever. So at the end of the day, we'll have our post ready. We click on publish. So we didn't start on time, and while I was waiting, our time was running out, and you know that we have just about 40 minutes for us to use our Zoom. We have barely 6 minutes to go. But thank God we're almost through, because everything we need to do has been done. So you have published your post, you need to view the post, you right click and open a new tab. Let's see if what we have is showing. So we can see the post is here now. The image is there. And yes, the one we highlighted to the other post is there. If you click it now, we are going to be seeing another post. 10 things you should never do as an affiliate. That was what we linked to. So it is showing here. So if somebody is reading that post and just clicks on that, it takes the person here. Or if I have asked it to open another web, whatever, it would have also done that. So let's go back to the post. So everything we needed to do has been done, and that is the end of the post. You can see that everything is okay. The page, the spaces or whatever, the paragraphs, the break page, they're all there. So you have to learn two things while you are doing that, while you are doing your post. Because some persons, I'm still not an expert in this, but I know, I think our area is covered up. Not able to do that. Okay. So if you look at this, you discover that there are some few things here. You see this P, which is indicating paragraph. You see this P again, it's indicating paragraph. You see this BR is indicating sentence break or whatever. So you must learn at least to understand these basic things for your HTML publishing. So that when you come here, you just put your and use text instead of visual. If you cannot use text, you can use your visual. You paste it as it is you want after typing. So all those spaces that you have in your typed out one will just come out like that here. But the only thing is that sometimes when you try to add images to this one, you may have a little difficulty here. But if it is here, you just do everything. You add from the media, from your system. And if anybody deletes your post or your post is published, the whole thing shows together. Your image is coming with the post. Unlike when you use sometimes the visual part, when anything happens to that, your image may not be showing. So if you publish this on Facebook, for instance, you are going to see that the featured image is there, which is this. This is what most of the social media will pick when you publish. But if you didn't add your featured image, they will pick your post, but this will be missing, like what you are seeing here. Like what you are seeing here, where's that area where we had it from the beginning? Like what you are seeing here may not be visible. So that is why we need, by all means, to add those things the way they should be. I think this one too, I missed this. So I still just have to correct it. Okay, so I update. If you discover after publishing that something went wrong, you can still come back to your editor and edit whatever you want to edit. And that makes the whole thing nice at the end. So WordPress platform is quite easy to use. You only need to just learn a few things. Some of these things, I wasn't taught some of these things. I just learned them by myself online out of curiosity. When I wanted to start blogging, I needed to make money online and all that. So I started pursuing information. And at the end of the day, I was able to get the basic things on how to publish on Google Blogger page, blog, the blog post or whatever, and then all this. So we're going to end there because we have like 1 minute to go. Okay, let me log out. Thank you so very much. We are done with how to publish on our site. So anytime you want to publish, it's just easy for you to do that without having any distress. Okay. All right. Thank you so very much for attending the meeting. Those who didn't come, they will have the grace to watch the recording. That's why I tried to record today's meeting so that
Recorded.
yes, recorded. All right, thank you, Bro Kemen and Elijah. God bless you. The rest persons are a little bit busy today because today.
All right.
All right, we will end here. Thank you and God bless.
All right. Thank you so much too.
You're welcome.
All right.